Hi Rebels, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video guys, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing something that Tati Beauty... I've been having this product guys since release date, since the day it came out. I just haven't reviewed it because if you guys know, I wasn't having a good week or weekend, and I literally just took a break, took a vacation off, and focused on my health, focused on me, focusing that I was okay. But again guys, I've been having this Tati Beauty Blendiful that she released, which looks amazing as in the website. In the website it shows you how to do it, how to apply foundation, your concealer, your powders, your bronzer. Girl, supposedly this Blendiful can replace your where's my beauty sponge? Bitch, where are you at? Supposedly guys, the Blendiful can do the same thing as the Beauty Blender, just that this can do creams, liquids, and creams. How do I talk? Like, I was gonna say, how do you talk? Alright guys, so the only difference between the Blendiful and the Beauty Sponge is that the Beauty Sponge has to be damped and wet, and this has to be dry. And, this can apply liquids, creams, and powders, and this one can too. But, we're gonna find out if this is better than this. If you guys are interested in watching my review on Tati Beauty Blendiful, then go ahead and keep on watching. I mean, there's other reviews, there are other Blendiful reviews of other bigger influencers, but if you guys are waiting for mine, thank you so much, babies. I love you guys so much. Then keep on watching. Hello, my friendes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright Rebels, I want to start off by saying that the Morphe Beauty Sponge is $8 and use code ADOPTTHELOVE to save 10% off. And then the Blendiful guys from Tati Beauty is $18. I know it's a hefty price tag guys, but why can't I talk? But bitch, girl, you better work. Alright guys, so on here it comes into like a plastic packaging and it says Tati Beauty in like a smoke black color right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That says Blendiful in like a rose gold kind of color. It says it has one Blendiful plus you get a baby Blendiful. And on the back guys it says Blendiful. Cleaning instructions. Machine wash and dry in delicate laundry bag or gently hand wash in warm soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and blot dry. Do not bleach and do not dry clean. No harsh lines. XOXO Tati. And one more thing guys, if you guys haven't got the Tati Beauty palette, girl, she finally restocked this palette. So if you want this palette and you guys love the makeup looks I do with this palette, go to tatibeauty.com. I'll leave the link down below in the description so you guys can go ahead and shop that. Guys, I've hit pan on a couple shades. Like, it's that fucking good. Like, for me to like a fucking nude palette, girl, that's the tea. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and open the Tati Beauty thing. It's my first time obviously opening this packaging. And it comes with this cute, bitch! It comes with this little cute Tati Beauty heart. Cuteness, oh my god. And then it comes with this big Tati Beauty puff that I guess is used for like the liquids, powders, and creams. So bam, 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 bam. And let's see what the fuss is. Like, this is being overhyped, the house, bitch. So let's see, do you really need Tati Beauty's Blendiful? My first reactions, guys, to this Tati Blendiful, it's so soft. It feels like I don't know, like, what can I compare it to? Like, it doesn't feel like a beauty sponge because it has these little microfibers on there. It smells clean as fuck. Girl, I'm fucking excited, but it's like kind of weird to put this on my face, to be like... Alright, well, so in today's makeup look, I'm gonna go for like a nude, simple kind of, not basic because we don't like basic and mom not a basic bitch. We're gonna go for like a good soft touch of glam, like not too much and not too like, not too beats. Cause today it's just not the day to be like beat as fuck. Like, I'm gonna just go to the store, go shopping a little bit, come wash, some clothes and, call it a day. Have some dinner later and bam. Hi, how are ya? Alright, Rebels, so my Tati Blendiful, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm gonna go ahead and do like 2 drops of foundation. I don't know like how much. I'll just do 1 for now. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend this out. This is kind of weird, but girl. Again, we're gonna go for like a soft glam, not too overpowering. But yeah, girl. How are you guys? How you guys been? Tell me the tea. So far it feels kind of weird because it's like soft fibers just hitting you. I mean, I guess you can compare it to a brush, but does it compare the same as a, you know, does it do a better performance than what a brush would do, a makeup brush? Hi Rosacea, how the fuck are you? Holy shit. Guys, that shit blended the house. What? Where did this hair come from, bitch? That shit blended the house, bitch. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna go ahead and do another pump of foundation. So this would be my second pump of foundation. And I'm gonna just go ahead and like fold this just a little bit so I can have like more control of where I'm pouncing. I'm pounding my face because I love a good pound. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend that second coat in. I always kind of use like at least 3 to 4 pumps of foundation. And with just 2 pumps, it blended my foundation. Alright, Rebels, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side of my face off camera and I'll be right back. When I say that my makeup look fucking looks airbrush, girl, like skin feeling, like I don't feel the heaviness on my skin, like it's evenly blended. Not too much foundation on my face, not too cakey, like I don't feel heavy on the face. Like it blended everything perfectly with just 2 pumps on this side and 2 over here. And girl, my face has never looked this good before. And I swear to God, guys, this video is not sponsored. It is not ad. I'm not on the PR list. This wasn't sent to me. Girl, like I would have no reason to talk good things about a product where I'm not getting paid for it, you know? Like I fucking spent my hard working coin on this product. So I have the ability and the freedom to say, oh, it's good and it's bad. Like I feel the adrenaline right now in my system, in my body. Like I haven't felt that like in 2 weeks and I'm fucking here for it. Alright, Rebels, for my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and get my favorite Tarte Shade Tape under the shade Light Neutral. And I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my eyes right here to cover up them dark circles, girl. Hide those crease lines. Go in there, girl. Like, don't be afraid. Cover those lines. And it's really good. This Shape Tape is really good, guys. It does cover up. It is a full coverage concealer. Girl, it's like phenomenal. Obviously, there's also cheap alternatives out there. But this is literally my ride or die Tarte Shape Tape. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this tip right here because it has more precision. It has like a point on there, so I'm able to go in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and start down here and blend that out. And again, amazing. Effortlessly, like don't even have to like try. Now the forehead, bitch. To create that highlight and dimension. The down nose, so we can be able to get a good nose contour, bitch. Good nose contour. Like, bitch, I'd be having a big ass nose and it's not the business. Alright guys, and with this point right here, I'm gonna go ahead and fold the Tati Blendiful and go in there. Alright, boys, now I'm gonna go ahead and get my favorite setting powder, and it's called the CoverGirl Clean Professional. It's really, really affordable and it's really good, guys. It comes in this little cap right here, like the black cap. And you guys can find this in your local Target, Walgreens, CVS, girl. Girl, it's really good. And I'll go ahead and put this on the under eyes so they won't crease. And look up so it can go into those creases, girl. We're just gonna go ahead and set the parts where you mostly crease throughout the day. So mine would be definitely the smile lines and the fucking forehead, bitch. Because this forehead does not play games. And just like really put it in there, girl. And while this is baking, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, for bronzing and contouring, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Fenty Beauty contour stick under the shade Suede. And I'm gonna go ahead and do like a 3 kind of style so I can go ahead and get the cheeks, the forehead, bitch, and that jawline that I don't have that I need to create ASAP. Guys, now we're gonna go ahead and blend this out with the Tati Beauty Blendiful. every time you guys do your bronzer or contour, I always love shaping out the bronzer so it won't have like a harsh line right here. Like if you guys see that, I love to shape that out. And I get some setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and have to fold the blender for like a taco kind of style. And just dip into that setting powder. And kind of like go like this and just go like, just tap it in there. Like so, there you go. Girl. That way it gives you like a good, sharp, precision contour look. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it bake, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose contour while this gets baked. Alright, Rebels, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tati Alright, Rebels, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and let that bake while I do this, and I'll be right back. Alright, Rebels, with the mini blender full, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Jacqueline, the Flash palettes, and I'm gonna go with Mesmerize down here, the shade, and then Dusty Excess with the fucking sponge. Girl, you need some sleep. Yes. Ooh. Girl, you see that? Oh, girl. Alright, Rebels, to finish off today's new makeup look, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Velour Liquid Lipstick under the shade Are You Filming? Is the Shane X Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick, and I'll be right back. Alright, Rebels, my makeup look is finally complete, and I'm about to give you guys my final thoughts on what I think about Tati Beauty's Blendiful. Alright, Rebels, so Tati Beauty's Blendiful is literally one of the best universal products I've ever tried when it comes to makeup. Girl, like I've never seen a makeup product where you can just literally use one single product and bam, bam, bam. Like one single makeup tool, bam, that works with liquids, creams, powders, etc. It's literally one of the best products that I've ever tried since trying out the Artiste brush. Just the difference is that the Artiste brush is literally like $60, $70, and this is $18, guys, and you get 2 products. I do recommend this Blendiful to guys, to the people who don't already have a beauty sponge. Literally, the beauty sponge, I want to say, can literally do, I mean, maybe the same exact thing as the Blendiful could. Maybe, you know, for $18 you can get 2, for $8 you can get 1. It's literally much preference, guys. The Blendiful did blend out my makeup phenomenal, like perfectly. Like I see no harsh lines, there's no creases. Literally, guys, this little small Blendiful was able to go in there. You just need to shape this like a little taco and bam, 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 go into that inner corner. And this, guys, is literally for the face. You guys can flip it inside out. So if you guys finish using this side, you guys can go ahead and use this side. So it's a really good universal product. So the question is Tati Beauty's Blendiful Lucy Jace approved? My answer is big yes. Because not only is the price tag a little bit up there, but guys, you guys get 2. They fucking work. They fucking blended my makeup look phenomenally, and it's a very universal product. So you basically need only one item to literally complete a full makeup look versus having a couple, you know, makeup brushes. You guys can literally just buy this one individual tool that you guys obviously need to replace every 3 months or so because, you know, of hygiene purposes, of, you know, germ purposes and stuff like that. So you guys want to replace this every couple months, you know. But guys, for the price tag, guys, this literally did a phenomenal job, and it is, you know, one in my books. Like, it's one of the best items in my books, you know. So yes, I do recommend you guys this product. It's really, really good, guys. Alright, Rebels, so we'll wrap it up for today's new video. If you guys enjoyed today's new video and today's new review, please give this video a big thumbs up, guys. I do purchase all of these products out of pocket, so you guys know that you guys will always get my transparent, unbiased review and comments. And if you guys have any comments, guys, of any feedback you guys want me to do any review in particularly, just please let me know in the comment section down below, guys. Also, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys bought the Blendiful, and let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know, girl. And please subscribe to my channel, guys. I do post twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Click on the bell notification, guys, so you guys are aware when I post a brand new video. You guys always get a notification tab whenever I upload. Just click on it and it'll take you guys directly to the newest video that I upload. I miss saying that so much. Like, I'm so happy that I'm back, guys. I'm fucking back. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. I really love engaging with you guys. You guys really gave me that confidence and inspiration to keep coming back and keep on doing more reviews, because this is what I love doing. Like, just being truthfully, being very vocal about it. I love doing this. I love reviewing. I love wearing makeup. I love feeling brave, confident, strong, and beautiful, just like I bet you guys do. And just, this engagement and this, communication back and forth, talking to my rebels that are like, states away, cities away, miles and miles away, is just really wonderful and one of my biggest blessings that I ever have this year, 2020, and for the years to come. So I hope you guys stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.